Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use iPhone backtap for screenshot. Now, you simply need to assign screenshot to double or triple tap in your accessibility settings. It's a great way to capture your screen instantly without having to stretch for your physical buttons. So go out to the settings, moving on, press accessibility, or scroll down is tap accessibility. Under the physical in motor section, you're gonna find touch. So tap touch. Inside, scroll to the very bottom menu and select back tap. Right? Choose either double tap or triple tap. Let's say double tap. And scroll down the list and select screenshot. So let's find it. Screenshot here. Yeah. So once you go back, you're gonna be able to double tap your back phone and a screenshot will be taken. So once enabled, so simply tap firmly on the back of your iPhone near the app logo 2 or 3 times, depending on what you chose, to capture your screen. Quick tip, this feature works even if you have a phone case on, though you may need to tap the back slightly more firmly depending on the thickness of your case. Consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.